Hello, hi, welcome to Cross.x TV. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Please don't forget to always check our notification button for all our news updates. Today's update is about Olojo Festival 2023. Olojo Festival is done yearly and is being carried out by the Ooni of Ife, Oba Ojaja II, and the whole entire Yoruba people. Yes. And it's always a very glorious day for the Ile-Ife people especially. But wait a minute, there's something that I noticed. Did you know that the last year Olojo Festival was quite different from this year Olojo Festival? The last year one, we could cite all the wives. Olori Mariam was sitting directly beside her husband. Olori Ashley was there, Olori Temitope, they were all there. But wait a minute, please drop a comment down below. What is happening in Olojo Festival? What has happened Olojo Festival 2023? That's Olori Mariam and the latest Olori are just the two only ones we see there. And even you can see in this video when she was looking towards, when the cameraman was looking towards her, it's like Olori Mariam, she's angry, like there's a problem between she and Ooni of Ife. And then the way she passed if you see in this video now, you can see her passing a package across to Ooni of Ife. No eye contact, despite that she's wearing a song shade. No eye contact. Kilo Shelego, is there something happening that we are not knowing or that we don't know? You know, with the online in-laws, we can only speculate, we can only see and just, add one or two together. And I noticed something again. Please drop a comment down below. Why is it that Olori Mariam and Olori Elizabeth, they are so close? I even remember during our wedding, a traditional wedding, Olori Mariam was just by her side. Is it that I don't understand, or they just get along easily, or because Olori Mariam is older than Olori Elizabeth, so she felt, she looks onto her like, mother of the house, queen mother and all that, because I don't understand. Olojo Festival, Kilo Nshele, please drop a comment down below. Do you notice anything? And I miss my Naomi, Queen Naomi silekunola. Queen Naomi silekunola Olojo Festival is always different. When she was in the palace, Egbagbe, the Olojo Festival, yato, yato. Everybody was, I think that lady, her spirit is strong. Everybody will be happy, they'll be joyous. But this one, everybody called lege shukudin ejo kilo nshele jawasi. Wow, as you can see in this video, see a lot of people came out to celebrate the Olojo Festival. Wait a minute, do you know that the crown Ooni of Ife Oba Ojaja is carrying or is wearing on his head is called Ade-Arere, and it's very heavy. That is why you see the king, going to the right, going to the left like a drunkard. He's drowsy. He feels drowsy. That thing is heavy. It's a tradition. He needs to wear it to the Olojo Festival. And that is why you see the people supporting him. It's guys that are there to carry him, because he might fall down. Yeah, because Kini Wuwo is very heavy. We have tradition in Yoruba land though. It's because a lot of people don't know about it. He cannot walk alone, him by himself wearing that Ade-Arere. It's not possible. It's the whole thing behind the Olojo Festival. Please don't forget to drop a comment down below. Yes, it will be a king, not be being so. It's not a small job. And the way people came out, people really, really understood the assignment. They are out to, to celebrate the Olojo Festival. Yes, and you can see in this other video, Olori Elizabeth and our queen mother Olori Mariam wọ́n jọ wà pẹ́kípẹ́kí ni. Ọ̀gá, but kí ló ń ṣe màmá tán wá lejú pa báyìí, kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Ṣọ́ọ̀ni ló ṣe Olori Mariam ni. But why is it that it's only two of them that is there? Please drop a comment down below. But any day, anytime. But where is Olori Tobi? Where is she? Where is Olori Temitope? Where is she? Where is Aderonke? Kilo Shele? When Queen Naomi was there, that it was just her and Ooni of Ife. Wow. Olojo festival another level is very interesting. A lot, another level. But in this one that Ọba Ooni of Ife ní ìyàwó púpọ̀ láàfin, everybody mama drag me, èmi máa jókòó síwájú, èmi kò máa jókòó síwájú. That's why I say it's not easy to satisfy 6 or 7 wives. Omo no be beans so to service them all round. Ooni of Ife is trying. May the God continue to strengthen you, Ooni of Ife, because iṣẹ́ kékeré kọ́ lẹ̀ ń ṣe. Àbí bàbá tell them say everybody wá bí gbà kan jókòó tira wọn, kọ́ má jókòó tira wọn, because ẹ mọ̀ pé wọ́n máa jà ní na me go see them, na me no go see them. When Queen Naomi was there, she was just her and her husband. When Naomi left, the next Olojo, when Olori Mariam was there, was just her and Ooni of Ife. But this one, wey wife don plenty for palace, everybody go just hold their own angle. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you so much. God bless you. Please share the video. Always check the notification button. Thank you. Stay tuned. God bless you.